MCP is everywhere right now. But nobody explains it properly. Model Context Protocol connects AI to your tools. Databases, APIs, anything. In 30 minutes, you'll build your own MCP server from scratch. Let's go! Section 1. What is MCP? Think of USB-C. One cable, all devices. MCP is the same thing, but for AI. One server, all AI clients. It's an open standard by Anthropic. Without MCP, you need custom code for every tool and every AI model. With MCP, build one server, and it works with Claude, GPT, Gemini, all of them. Section 2. How MCP works. 3 layers. MCP client, that's the AI app like Claude Code or ChatGPT. MCP server, that's your code, the middleware. And tools, the external systems like databases and APIs. Client asks the server calls the tool, returns the result. Communication happens over JSON RPC, either through standard I/O or HTTP with server-send events. Dead simple architecture. Section 3. Core concepts. 3 building blocks. Tools are functions the AI can call. Like search users, create records, or send messages. Resources are data the AI can read. Like file contents or database records. And prompts are reusable templates. Your server registers all 3 on startup, and the AI client discovers them automatically. Section 4. Project setup. You can use Python or TypeScript. For Python, pip install MCP. For TypeScript, npm install the Model Context Protocol SDK. Choose your transport. Standard I/O for local tools, HTTP for remote servers. One file is all you need to get started. That's the entire setup. Now let's build. Section 5. Let's build a weather MCP server from scratch. We'll create 2 tools. Get weather for current conditions, and get forecast for 5-day predictions. Import the SDK, create the server, add the tool decorator, write the function that calls the weather API, and return structured data. The entire server is about 30 lines of code. That's it. Section 6. Adding more tools. Let's add database and file tools to our server. A query database tool that runs SQL queries. A read file tool that reads any local file. And a write file tool. Each tool is just a decorated function. Add the server.tool decorator, write your function, and the AI can now use it. The pattern is always the same, making it super easy to add new capabilities. Section 7. Connecting to Claude Code. Open your Claude settings.json file. Add your server under MCP servers. Specify the command to run it and any environment variables. Restart Claude Code, and it automatically discovers all your tools. Now you can ask Claude, "What's the weather in Tokyo?" And Claude calls your server. It's like magic. Section 8. Advanced patterns. For production servers, you need input validation. Check every parameter. Add proper error handling with clear error messages, not just crashes. Add API key authentication to secure your server. And log everything for debugging and monitoring. These patterns are essential when you move from prototype to production. Section 9. 10 MCP server ideas you can build today. Slack messaging, GitHub management, database queries, email automation, Google Calendar, Jira tickets, AWS S3 file management, Notion pages, Stripe payments, and custom REST API wrappers. Each one takes about 50 to 100 lines of code. Pick one that solves a real problem for your workflow and build it this weekend. Section 10. 5 Pro Tips. Tip 1. Keep tools small and focused. One function, one job. Tip 2. Write clear descriptions because the AI reads them to decide which tool to use. Tip 3. Validate all inputs, never trust raw data. Tip 4. Always return structured JSON, not plain strings. And tip 5. Test locally with Claude Code first before deploying anywhere. That's MCP servers. Connect AI to anything. Databases, APIs, tools. It's easier than you think. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Comment below, what MCP server will you build? See you in the next one.